Hello and welcome. If you're from Turkey and planning to visit Russia or have faced difficulties with entry bans, this video is for you. Understanding why an entry ban might occur and how to address it can make a big difference. When an entry ban is imposed, the biggest question is often why exactly this happened. The reasons can be diverse and sometimes not immediately clear. Let's explore the main causes together. One common reason is unpaid fines or debts in Russia. For example, taxes, utility bills or traffic violations that might have gone unnoticed, but still impact your ability to enter the country. Another frequent cause involves violations of visa or migration rules. This can include staying beyond your permitted time, working without the required permission, or neglecting to register your residence within the deadlines set by Russian law. Sometimes health-related issues come into play. Certain illnesses like tuberculosis or syphilis can lead to an entry ban. Fortunately, if these diseases are treated and you provide official medical proof of recovery, the ban can often be lifted. However, dealing with incurable diseases such as HIV involves more complex and legal and medical consultations. There are also bans related to criminal records or security concerns. If a person is on certain internal lists or has violated Russian laws, this may result in extended or even indefinite entry ban. Mistakes in paperwork, such as incorrectly completed visa applications, invalid invitations, or expired insurance policies, can also cause refusals of bans. Additionally, different Russian agencies, like the Ministry of Internal Affairs or the Federal Security Service, may impose bans independently, depending on the specific circumstances. In many cases, the reason for the ban is not clearly communicated to the affected person. If you find yourself in this situation, there are ways to clarify the cause, and professionals can help simplify this process. It's important to understand that bans have different durations and conditions. Some can be lifted by the authorities who issued them. Some require a formal appeal through the courts, while others may be permanent. For example, bans related to certain diseases are often removable under Russian law, specifically under Article 27, paragraph 7 and 10. We conduct all communications in English, and contracts can be signed in English as well. Payments can be made from outside Russia, which makes working with us easier regardless of your location. Here are some practical steps to follow if you face a visa refusal or entry ban. Identify the exact reason for the ban. This often means contacting Russian migration authorities or seeking legal assistance to obtain official documents or responses, since sometimes online systems don't provide full information. Submit a request to lift the ban. This usually involves writing an application to the relevant agency, like the Ministry of Internal Affairs, and including evidence that you have addressed the issue, such as receipts for paid fines or medical certificates. If your request is denied, consider appealing in court. Appeals are especially successful when there are strong personal or professional reasons to return to Russia, such as family connections, work commitments, studies, or property ownership. Once the ban has been lifted, reapply for a visa. Make sure all documents are complete and accurate, pay close attention to deadlines, and comply with all registration requirements. To minimize the risk of future refusals or bans, it's advisable to avoid overstaying and respect visa durations. Work only with proper permits and documentation. Complete all migration registration on time. Stay current on all financial obligations, including taxes and fines. Check for any existing bans before applying for a visa, preferably with help from migration experts. It's important to remember that a visa refusal or entry ban is never a final verdict. With the right support and clear information, many bans can be lifted. To minimize the risk of future refusals or bans, it's advisable to avoid overstaying and respect visa durations. Work only with proper permits and documentation. Complete all migration registration on time. Stay current on all financial obligations, including taxes and fines. Check for any existing bans before applying for a visa, preferably with help from migration experts. It's important to remember that a visa refusal or entry ban is never a final verdict. With the right support and clear information, many bans can be lifted. Russia remains a welcoming destination for many. Your successful entry is possible with the correct guidance. Thank you for watching.